Today I am going to make some cabbage, steamed cabbage, and I'm gonna serve it with boiled dumpling. So this is a huge one. I'm just gonna cut it down the center and then shred it before I cook it. Okay, so continue to watch a short video of this very inexpensive meal that you can make on a budget. So you just cut it open, cut it in half, and then go ahead and shred it. So there are different ways of shredding it. Let's get a big knife. Proceed to season your cabbage with about not a lot of season, just maybe half a teaspoon of each of your regular seasoning: black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. You won't have to add any salt to it. Use a spoon too. Okay. So while that is there, you can leave it while you prepare your onion and other seasoning. Some onions, hot pot, you have the coconut oil. Just waiting for it to dissolve, melt. And a little bit of thyme. Add seasoning to the pot. I'm gonna add some water, so a cup of water. We started half a cup of water. The pot. Bouillon. If you don't have bouillon, you can use the chicken noodle mix. Some of my Cajun seasoning and some cayenne pepper. Just to give it the liquid flavor. And that's what you're gonna add your cabbage to, and then let it cook in that base. Alright, so we're gonna add our cabbage. Over top and then cover it. This is gonna be about 20 minutes, so let it sit there and medium and just let it shrink. Let's do it 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so this is my dumpling with cabbage dinner. Hope you enjoy this video. This is a very short video. Okay, thank you.